Hello, my name is Michelle Berry, and I just want to jump on here for just a minute and talk about ghee. I'm an Ayurvedic practitioner, and right now I'm in Malaysia, but ghee has helped so much. Well, first of all, ghee is a form of clarified butter. It has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine and traditional cooking in India. It has a lot of medicinal benefits, and I've noticed since I've been traveling, incorporating tiny bits in my diet here and there has been really helpful for digestion and for the assimilation of nutrients. I don't use it every day, my body type. I don't really need to. But I do find topically it's wonderful, and I find internally it's very medicinal. So, with that being said, some of the things about ghee are just amazing. It's rich in fat-soluble vitamins. It's a good source of vitamins such as A, D, E, K. And these vitamins are essential for various bodily functions, including our immune function, bone health, and vision. So, as I mentioned before, ghee supports digestion because it's considered one of the best cooking fats in Ayurveda due to its ability to support our digestion, and it has a higher heating temperature than some of the other oils. It contains butyric acid, which is a shorter chain fatty acid that nourishes the cells of our digestive tract and promotes healthy gut flora. Ghee is also believed to stimulate the secretion of the stomach acids, aiding in the digestion and absorption of nutrients, which is probably why I feel like when I need some digestive support and love and nourishment, I go for ghee. I like to make my own. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, and it has compounds such as linoleic acid, CLA, and butyric acid, which I've already mentioned, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. And consuming it regularly may alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel diseases. It boosts immunity because it's rich in antioxidants, including vitamin E and beta-carotene, which help neutralize free radicals and support our immune function. Additionally, the butyric acid in ghee has been shown to have antimicrobial properties, which may protect against infections, which I've been traveling, so I haven't gotten sick that much, or at all, really. And it's really helped with my knowledge of Ayurveda has really helped with my travels. So including ghee, like I said, I could go off on many things right now, but ghee also helps promote healthy weight management. Despite being high in saturated fat, it is metabolized differently by the body as compared to other fats because we've clarified it. And especially cultured ghee is the best. So it's believed to promote weight loss by increasing the body's metabolic rate and promoting the burning of fat for energy. Additionally, ghee is a source of healthy fats that help keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing cravings for unhealthy snacks and sweets. Ghee, because it's a fat and we need fats for our body and brain and absorption of nutrients, it includes omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, which are so good for our brain health and cognitive function. Consuming it regularly may improve memory and concentration and just overall brain function. It also lubricates the joints. It's used both internally and externally to lubricate the joints and promote health, promote flexibility. Massaging the joints with warm ghee can help reduce stiffness and inflammation and any pain associated with conditions of arthritis. So it's important to consume ghee in moderation, like anything, have the right relationship with it. And obviously kaphas would use less and vatas would use more, and pittas would use moderate amount. And it provides everyone with numerous health benefits overall and overall well-being. You can also join my Sacred Cycle Cleanse and Rejuvenation Cleanse whenever you need a gentle reset. Ghee is included, or if you're vegan, alternatives are also available. But in the show notes here, I'll include a little 15% off of Banyan Botanicals, or 20% off at Pyre Living, and they have the best ghee in the world. I just love it. You can taste the difference. Both are wonderful. They come from special cows, and I know the one from Pyre Living comes from A2 cows, which is wonderful and is cultured. So go ahead and try it. The links will be in the show notes. So thank you for watching. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and I hope that you have a beautiful day. I'll see you soon.